Welcome, kid. What would you like?
What? What's going on?
Boy, you have been convicted of larceny.
Wait, what? Larceny? What's that?
What? A grown man you are, and you don't know what larceny is? Larceny is when you take possession from someone else and keep it, thereby refusing the legitimate owner from using it.
When did I ever do that?
You know, boy, all your questions will be answered in court. Guards.
Hey, wait a minute!
Order in the court. Boy, since you don't have an attorney, we have decided to appoint you one. Miss Zelda?
Wait! Your princess...
Shh, don't give away my cover. Now the attorney for the plaintiff, Mr. Ganondorf, and the plaintiff, Miss Andrew.
What is Ganondorf doing here?
He's trying to get rid of you by placing you in jail. Order in the court. Will Miss Andrew please come up and testify?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, I was at my house the other night after a long day of taking care of my dear Coco, when all of a sudden this young man came into my house and started raising havoc by breaking my pots and taking my hard-earned rupees.
Go on.
Well, I tried to tell him to stop, but he would not listen. Then as quickly as it came, he left.
Tell me, Miss Andrew, what do you do for a living?
I raise cocos, though I am allergic to them.
So, you are saying this man Link stole all your hard-earned rupees that you made by raising cuckoos, even though you're allergic to them?
Yes.
Tell me, Miss Andrew, besides breaking your pots and taking rupees, did he do anything else at your house?
Well, no, he didn't.
I was informed that 7 years ago, when Link was a child, he had to gather all your cuckoos that were scattered over all the village.
Yes, he did.
Did he get some type of reward for that?
Well, I gave him a bottle.
A bottle? Link chased after lots of cuckoos on top of hills, behind boxes to gather your cuckoos, and all you gave him was a bottle?
Yes.
Did Link complain about getting a bottle?
Well, no. He seemed happy to help me.
And now you are accusing that same child, the one that helped you because you were allergic to cuckoos, so you couldn't gather them yourself.
If you allow me, Your Honor, I have another witness.
Wait, Navi?
Now, Miss Navi, what do you have to say about the defendant?
Well, I was telling Link to listen and stop breaking pots because he had to go and save Hyrule. But he wouldn't listen because he was too busy collecting rupees to buy a bigger quiver.
Well, Miss Navi, you have been Link's partner for a very long time. Why would Link need to buy a bigger quiver?
Well, he needed it to be able to carry more arrows so he could easily defeat the enemies that appeared.
In other words, you're saying that Link's motives for buying a bigger quiver were to selflessly defeat the monsters and protect Hyrule and its people, which includes Kakariko Village, where Miss Andrew lives.
Well, yeah. I mean, in a way, it is a good idea to get well stocked before you go and defeat monsters.
Thank you, Miss Navi.
Your Honor, we have actual visual evidence of the crime.
Really? Well, you can proceed to show it.
Thank you. Guru, will you please?
Who is it? What's going on?
As we all just saw, Link is clearly guilty of committing larceny. And according to Arizona Statute 261121, which for some reason Hyrule decided to base its laws from, states that any person who wrongfully takes or obtains personal property, money, or any article of value from the possession of the owner with the intent to permanently or temporarily deprive the owner is guilty of larceny.
Your Honor, I believe that Link has a right to defend himself. Right. Link, please step up.
First of all, I would like to apologize for my actions. Defeating evil for the past 7 years has given me little time to learn proper adequacy. But now, I see that people prefer their adequacy more than being saved from monsters. If you find my actions so unforgivable that you will send me to jail, then I will dedicate the rest of my life in having good mannerism instead of conquering evil. But honestly, I don't know what good that will do because eventually the monsters will overtake the land and kill all of us.
Your Honor, we have all reached a consensus. We believe for Link to be not guilty.
What? But you saw the evidence. There's no doubt to Link's actions.
How exactly did you come to that conclusion?
We have come to the conclusion that sending Link to jail will cause more damage and our ultimate death than to set him free and continue his journey against evil.
Miss Andrew, can we appeal this?
No, that's okay. Actually, I'm quite happy with the verdict. I feel guilty for even thinking of sending this young man to jail when all he does is for the best of Hyrule. A few broken pots and missing rupees is not even enough to thank him for all that he has done.
Order in the court. This trial is over.